Hey, I'm Chaketa with Always On Point Pressure Washing in Atlanta, Georgia. Welcome to Ask the Pressure Wash Pros, where we answer the questions homeowners ask us every day. Today's question: what's the difference between pressure washing and soft washing? Pressure washing uses high pressure water for durable surfaces like concrete, driveways, and sidewalks. Soft washing uses low pressure with professional cleaning solutions to safely remove mold, mildew, algae, and dirt from siding, stucco, painted wood, and roofs. Choosing the right method protects your home while delivering the best results. Here's an on-point tip. If a company says they pressure wash everything, ask questions. Different services require different cleaning methods. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions below. For more homeowner tips and exterior cleaning advice, follow Always On Point Pressure Washing, because even under pressure, we're always on point.